A cat. Wow. Okay, so I know what you're thinking right now. Okay, I'm not stupid. You're like, I knew it. No. Okay, no. I do not use it to go crazy. Okay, it doesn't make me go nuts. I'm always craving nuts. It's crazy. I wanted to make this video because it's like a taboo thing, and I'm so sick of people like judging people because they're misinformed. And so I was like, no. Okay, I don't use it to get high. Okay, I'm actually very low. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the... I actually found shoes with fluff on them. So yeah, that's awesome. Anyways, this video is not about fur. Low. What are we talking about today? We are talking about cannabis. What is cannabis? Well, it's a plant, okay? You know what a plant is. I don't know why there's so many names for it. Cannabis, marijuana, weed, pot, the maple leaf sister. I don't know, guys. There's just so many words for it. And I'm like, why? Why are there so many words? I'm just so confused. So I know. You guys are really confused right now if you know me. Because when I tell people that I take a motorcycle, that I take cannabis, they're like, well, I told my friend, hello Anaïs, and she was like very confused. And then when I told my osteopath, she started bursting laughing. And I get it, because I'm like the most annoyingly clean person, okay? I say no to parties, I say no to drinking, I say no to smoking, I say no to anything that's loud. I'm just not into that kind of garbage. You know, you do you, okay? I'm not judging you, it's just me, okay? Yeah. I'm making this video because in order to open people's minds, you gotta talk about it, right? Obviously, I'm talking about medical marijuana, not like Snoop Dogg, Miley Cyrus marijuana. Basically, the first thing I want to say is that it's CBD oil and THC, right? So, I'm not like the most knowledgeable person on this subject because it's really confusing and I don't understand. I know there's CBD, I know there's THC, and then I know there's hemp oil. Okay? I use all of them. But, okay, so CBD is like the most popular one. I'm just saying these things do not make you high because they take out the thing in it that's supposed to make you go crazy, right? So that's why I don't smoke it, because then you'll get high. I'm not into that. I'm not gonna lie to you, I did hallucinate once. I have no idea what happened. I took the same dose as usual and I went to bed, okay? And then like a few minutes later, I saw a person in the hallway and I was like hearing noise, and I have hallucinated noises before. That's why I thought I had a brain tumor, and that was before I even took CBD. It's probably the THC that did that, although I didn't change the doses. And if you're one of those, what are they called, drug dealer? No. Those people that work at pot shops, yeah, whatever. If you try to explain what happened to me, I'm not gonna understand. So, you know, take your best shot, but I'm not gonna understand, okay? A lot of people who have health issues take... Why is there so much noise outside? I hate noise, it drives me nuts. I'm really angry today, like I could just kill someone, right? I'm really not a good example to show you that this can calm you down, because I took some this morning and I'm feeling horrible, but it's not because of that. I want you to know, okay, that there is nothing wrong with taking cannabis oil or whatever they call it. It's not gonna harm you, okay? The amount of deaths from cannabis is 0. Why is that? Because it can't kill you. Obviously, like anything, don't be a stupid idiot. It's like if you eat 10 plants, obviously you're gonna have a problem, right? It's like anything. If you eat too much chocolate, you'll feel sick. You know what I'm saying? But nobody has died from it specifically. Obviously, if you're not careful with yourself, that's your problem. If you're at a concert, okay, and you can smell it, they're not taking it because their back hurts, sweetheart, okay? They're taking it because they're getting high. You have to be able to make a difference here. Basically, it comes in a little bottle. It's an oil. That's the one that will not make you high. CBD cannot make you high whatsoever. Okay, then there is THC. THC is the one that messes with your brain, which is why it can cause some weirdness. I take both. I know you're like, obviously, no guys. It's just because I'm frustrated at everything all the time. It has nothing to do with it. Most people just take CBD. CBD is for like pain and chilling out, you know. THC is for your brain. I need THC. If I don't use THC, it's not going to work for me. I need to combine both. Okay, and then there's hemp oil. Now, hemp oil really confuses me. Is this even a video where I teach you things or I just ask myself questions? I don't know, guys. Hemp oil, it doesn't work for me. I've tried to, but it's the one that's on the market everywhere. At the drugstore, they sell like hemp face wash, hemp stuff, like it's everywhere. Not CBD or THC, that you have to go to an actual pot store and get it. Okay, because it's more, basically hemp is for the people who are like little scaredy cats. My dog takes hemp. It got me really emotional because like he has arthritis and he can't walk well. Then we gave him hemp and he was bouncing around everywhere like a little popcorn in a microwave, and it just got me like, oh my god, like cute little bit. But when I take CBD and I take hemp, it does nothing for my chronic pain because the pain is just too much. It does not work for me. But I know so many Lyme people take it. Now, let me explain something super hard. There's sativa and Irissa. I'm not sure which does which. I know one is for energy, one is to calm you down. But my body works the whole way, other way around. So I take the opposite one for the opposite thing. So during the day, I take the Irissa, and at night I take sativa. I know, it's so complicated. I don't understand anything, honestly. I don't know why I'm making this video. The first time I took it, I took one drop and I thought I was turning into Snoop Dogg. Like, yeah. Basically, I want to tell you, it has a ton of health benefits too. My phone was upside down. I went on a little website on the World Wide Web, because that's always in the World Wide Web. It's by consciouslifestylemag.com, because no, here we do not accept plagiarism. You're welcome. So I'm just gonna tell you, these are like health benefits that are backed up by some science researchers. 1. Reduced risk of diabetes and obesity. Can reduce your circumference of your waistline. Awesome. Better cholesterol profiles and lowered risk of cardiovascular disease. Reduced risk of cancer. Yes, I have heard of stories where people take it and it actually helps to reduce the size of their tumors, which is awesome, except of course it does nothing for Lyme disease. Hate Lyme disease. 4. Helps maintain brain health and create resilience to trauma and degeneration. Yes, I know, everybody thinks when they get old, their brain degenerates. Well, no, guys, let me tell you something. Okay, the one organ in your body that will keep evolving throughout your whole life while everything else goes downwards is your brain. You can teach it anything. Trust me. 6. Protects and heals the skin. Yep, I forgot 5. Protects against bone disease and broken bones. 7. Anti-inflammatory benefits. This is why most people with Lyme take it, because we're super inflamed. We're like a balloon inside. Anxiety and stress, depression and mood disorders. Yeah, it doesn't really work for that for me. Pain, yeah, no, that doesn't work for me either. I don't know if sleep disorders, sleep apnea, insomnia. Basically, you gotta do your own research for your own health concerns. What I want to say, okay, is that you do not have to be sick in order to take medical marijuana, and you do not need a prescription for everything. Okay, I don't use prescriptions. Also, you gotta be cautious because some brands sell their little squeaky bottles for $100, which is what? And then some sell it for like $30, which is where I go, right? Now, why do I use it? Okay, I just want to make this really clear. I know I'm crazy in my videos. It is not because of the drugs, okay? I swear to you, it does not change that whatsoever. It just when I get in front of the camera, weird things come out of my mouth and I have no clue why. Okay, so why did Christina use it, huh? Why Christina, why do you use it, huh? Well, I'm gonna tell you. I do not sleep at all. I literally took prescription, every prescription medication for sleep, okay? And they did not work. I was up all night. They did nothing for me. Okay, I've tried everything on the market. Every sleep product you can imagine. From really safe to kind of not good for you. Okay? Because you need sleep. Hi, honey. Okay, you need sleep because without it, you can't live, right? And I still struggle a ton to sleep. Basically, the first night I took CBD and THC, I fell asleep, which is crazy. Crazy. Like I never fall asleep. Obviously it doesn't work anymore because my body gets used to stuff and then it tells it not to work anymore. So I take that with a combination of a bunch of other stuff. Yeah. Anyways, and then during the day I take the Irissa. So then it doesn't help me with the pain whatsoever. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it does help a lot of people with pain. What it helps me with is my stupid intense migraines that sometimes I wake up and I just feel horrible. It helps me feel a little bit better and a little more alive, you know, like I can get through the day. Yeah. So you don't have to be sick to take it, obviously, you know. I used to think that you did, okay, but you can actually be like fine. Obviously, nobody's perfect, right? But it can help you with like anxiety or whatever health concern. Not health, but you know, little concerns that you may have. You can do your own research, guys, because I'm not going to do it for you. I'm not Google here, even though I know I look like I'm Google. But yeah, do your own research and then you'll be able to find what can help you. Okay, obviously don't be an idiot, okay? Don't just take it because you think it's cool. What is that garbage? Are you like 5 trying to impress someone? No. Take it if you want to. I'm just making this video because I want to break the taboo subject of controversies, because I don't get why it's controversial. I don't get why people are like, oh my god, she takes cannabis. No, I don't smoke it. I'm not like that, okay? It's not that way. Even if someone does smoke it, don't judge people, okay? Let people be, whatever. This is not crystal light. Is that a drink? I mean, crystal meth. I don't know about drugs, guys. I don't know. All I know is that medical marijuana is good for you and it cannot hurt you. And I mean, what's the worst that can happen? You try it, you don't like how it feels, you stop it, or you try it, you like how it feels, you keep going. Because at the end of the day, you deserve to live your best life, and if there's a product out there that can help you to live your best life, why wouldn't you take it, right? And then you know all that garbage your doctor prescribes you? Do you know what any of the... He's eating a box. Do you know what any of the ingredients in there actually mean? I've tried all those stupid pain pills and those insomnia pills and all that garbage. And the list of things, when death is one of the lists of the side effects, one of the side effects, there's a problem, okay? Death should not be in the side effects, because that's just crazy. I mean, the only thing I don't appreciate is that it's not dairy free, and I don't get it. On the box it says it contains milk. I don't know, but you know, I don't eat stuff if I don't know the ingredients in it, so I'm not gonna ingest something if I don't know the ingredients in it either. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's nothing bad in there, it's just a freaking plant. You know? God puts everything on this earth that he thinks we need. He put that plant there, so I think we should eat don't eat the plant, but you know, yeah, basically if you're a scaredy, like a really big scaredy cat, go for hemp. Hemp is everywhere. You can find it at the drugstore. Obviously, don't start eating the beard oil, okay? you can order it on like Amazon, so it means it's really safe. But anyways, you can just go to your local pot store or whatever you call it, and I mean, you know, what's the problem, guys? Come on, I know it's not for everyone. Like, some people are just so close-minded, and they think, oh god, like, look at her go, like, yeah, she totally, like, she's in it. No, okay, it's not like that. It's just oil. They take out all this stuff that's supposed to make you high, so you don't get high. And so many people are afraid. And let me just tell you why you shouldn't be afraid. I'm the most afraid person on this earth, okay? Literally, you do this, and I get startled and I almost have a heart attack, okay? I'm scared of everything. I'm scared of touching people's hands. I'm scared of pushing doors because I'm afraid what germs are going to come off. I'm afraid to drink weird things like anything that's not from... I'm afraid of everything, okay? Okay, but... And I tried it, like a drop, just to make sure that I wasn't gonna die. And I didn't die, because guess what? I'm making this freaking video, okay? It's not gonna hurt you, and there's no reason to judge people who take it. Because we take it because we need it. Without it, my life would be worse than it already is, and it's already pretty bad, guys. I'm just trying to make the most of it. Do your research and don't be closed-minded, because being closed-minded is being a closed box. And if you don't open Pandora's box, how are you gonna find the fun stuff that's inside of it, right? Also, it's legal, which is great. I'm trying to find those socks with like the plant on them. They used to be everywhere, but now that I'm taking it, they're all gone. So I don't know why, considering it's legal, and it wasn't even legal when they were selling it. Thank you so much for watching. I know this video made no sense at all. I'm having a horrible day. Like, I'm gonna cry after this video. I don't feel good at all. I'm really frustrated today. I don't know why. I'm just a mess. But I had to make this video because I don't think it's right for, well, you know, I'm just sick of people reacting that way. There's a huge difference between the drug that will actually make you high and the drug where they remove it. So it's just for pain relief, because it relieves inflammation, and for, you know, your brain to help it calm down, because it can be really annoying. But I mean, Tylenol has more risks than CBD, which is, I know, I know, it's crazy, but it's true, you know? So do what you want with the information that was kind of useless that I gave you, okay? And just know, like, guys, don't judge, okay? Some people are really sick and this really helps them, and some people aren't sick, but this helps them to make their life better. Okay, again, I'm not talking about bongs and like smoking. And even if someone smokes it, I'm not gonna judge them because I don't know. Okay, you don't know what someone's doing. You don't know why they're doing it. So don't, obviously, if they're taking another drug that's like really bad for you, sure, make your own opinion, whatever. Anyways, thank you for watching. Okay, leave a like, you know. Comment down below if this helped you to, you know, open your horizons, and maybe, you know, you can try it, or you don't have to try it, but at least don't judge people who take it, because some people actually really need it. Obviously, doctors don't know everything, so I would say do your own research, because I don't always trust what doctors have to say, because they don't know everything. You know, do your own research, talk to different people, go to different pot stores, see what you see what you don't see. There's such a wide range, it's really hard to figure it out. So obviously, if you go on the side of the street and someone's selling it, walk away, okay? It's not the right one, it's the bad one. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. You never go unnoticed, okay? If you watch my videos, I truly, truly appreciate it. Okay, I will see you later, my little alligators. Bye-bye. My hand did not cover the camera. Bye-bye.